Welcome to my channel. You need 14 Oreos. Separate the cream and the cookies. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Blend the ingredients until it becomes liquid. Put a cover and wait 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you need to heat up your pan. Add the liquid to the pan. Once the cake is bubbling, flip it. Once they are done, they should look like this. Add 2 teaspoons of heavy whipped cream. Mix them together. Now add the cream to the cake. Cover it while pinching the sides. Your Dora cakes are ready.